First go to the file and click on open. Select this first image, press the open button. Again go to the file, this time choose place embedded. Select the second image and click place. Now hold shift and alt buttons and decrease the image size like this. Press enter. Now take the quick selection tool and hit on select subject. Here Photoshop automatically selects the subject like this. Click on the layer mask option below. Now right click on this layer and select blending options. Go to the underlying layer option, hold the alt key and break this point, adjust this point like this. Press OK. Go to the adjustment layer options and choose photo filter. Here select cooling filter. Set density to 25%. Click to clip to the layer option. Again go to the adjustment layer options. This time choose color balance. Click to clip to the layer option. Now adjust these points like this. Let's see the final result.